Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx in the following. The expression is xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. So every term we are going to differentiate it with respect to x. Please remember the first term xy, you have to look at it as a uv, where u is x and y is going to be v. So let's start with this differentiation. So I'm retaining x and differentiating y, which means x into dy by dx. Plus I'm retaining y and differentiating x, so it is 1. So plus y into 1 is y. Next I'm differentiating this term, so y squared can be differentiated as 2y dy by dx is equal to differentiation of tan x is directly secant squared x plus differentiation of y is going to be dy by dx. Retain or bring all the dy by dx terms to the left side. So this is x into dy by dx plus 2y into dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to secant squared x minus y. Now I'm going to collect the dy by dx outside. So dy by dx into x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to secant squared x minus y. So finally we can write out the value. So dy by dx is equal to secant squared x minus y, the whole thing divided by x plus 2y minus 1. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you on the next video. Bye.